problem number 15. The surface of a metal is illuminated with the light of 400 nanometer. The kinetic energy of the ejected photoelectrons was found to be 1.68 electron volt. If the product of Planck's constant and velocity of light, that is h into c, is equal to 1240 electron volt into nanometer, then the work function of the metal, which of the four values we have to find out. So first I will list the given quantities. Okay students, so the incident wavelength. So first I will start with the incident wavelength. So incident lambda is equal to 400 nanometer. Then the product of Planck's constant h and velocity of light together is equal to 1240, and the unit is electron volt into nanometer. It is given there. Then what is this? The kinetic energy. So the kinetic energy is E kinetic. So this is equal to how much? 1.68 electron volt. So these are the three given quantities, students. First of all, the incident wavelength lambda is given. So from Max Planck's quantum theory and Einstein's theory, what is the energy of the incident photon E equal to h nu? Okay students, so I will find out. So incident energy. So what is the incident energy? It is given by E is equal to h nu. This is also equal to hc by lambda. Now the product of h into c is given. Lambda is also given. We are going to substitute. So E is equal to, okay, therefore E is equal to, the product of h into c is how much? 1240. What is the unit? Electron volt into nanometer, divided by lambda is given what? 400. So this is 400 nanometer. Now the unit nanometer can be cancelled on both sides. Then 1 0 also can be cancelled. So I will write there, therefore energy of the incident photon is equal to 124 divided by 40. Okay students, so this is now equal to, both the numbers are divisible by 4. So in 12, 3 4s are 12, and in 4, 1 4s are 4. Divided by 40 divided by 4 is 10. Okay students, so this is equal to 10. Therefore what is energy is equal to 31 by 10 is 3.1 electron volt. Okay students, the unit is what? Remainder unit is electron volt. Now the kinetic energy is given. Incident energy we have found. So from Albert Einstein's photoelectric equation. So from photoelectric equation, E is now equal to, okay, E is now equal to work function plus kinetic energy. What is asked here? The work function of the metal only is asked. Therefore phi naught is now equal to E minus kinetic energy. So you have to substitute now 3.1, okay, 3.1 minus, what is the kinetic energy? Is 1.68. So this is 1.68. So this is to be subtracted. If you subtracted means this will be 1.42 electron volt. So 1.42 electron volt. So there is one option, 1.42 electron volt. Okay students. So therefore work function is equal to 1.42 electron volt is the answer. So which of the options is correct, you tell me? Option A is correct. Okay, therefore this is option A. Okay students, so this is the correct option. Have you understood? Okay.